Here's how you can change your Facebook profile picture without losing your existing likes and comments. If you're thinking about updating your profile photo, but want to keep all the engagement from your current one, I'll show you exactly how to do it. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel, so thank you. All right, let's open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Or you can do this on facebook.com too. Head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap your profile picture at the top left. Now this is my current profile picture. If I tap on it and select See Profile Picture, I can view the likes and comments it already has. But let's say I want to change the picture. What you need to do is tap the profile photo again and choose Select Profile Picture at the bottom. Here's an important detail. At the top, you'll see Camera Roll. If you upload a brand new photo from your phone's camera roll or computer, Facebook will treat it like a new post, and you'll lose all your old likes and comments. To avoid that, scroll down to Suggested Photos or Uploads. I'll tap More to see all my previous uploads. Let's say I pick this one. At the bottom, you'll have the option to share it to your newsfeed. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference. Now I'll tap Save. Since I selected a photo that was already uploaded to my Facebook, it keeps all my previous likes and comments. I can also choose whether to sync this with Instagram, but for now, I'll hit Not Now. And that's it. My profile picture is updated, and all the engagement is still there. If this was helpful, give this video a like and drop any questions in the comments.